What's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we go into a car show at some coffee shop. Adams Polishes is throwing the show. It's gonna be pretty lit. I can already see a bunch of cars that were pulling up on the freeway. I saw a few STIs and my boy Yusuf right here pulling up in his Cobra. Hey! This thing is so sick. But anyways, let's get to the car show, guys, and enjoy the video.
You are watching a master at work.
Super clean 240. Damn, this definitely makes me miss my S14 with the work BSSS. Stupid clean. What is this? God, look at all the 240s. Right hand drive. Stupid clean. I love this front on the S14. What do you guys think is better? Honestly, the brakes on the Sylvia or the S14 Koki front end? Super sick. This one, his wheels is so gangster too. These are honestly one of my favorite wheels as well. I think these are the LM5 Nismos, if I'm not correct. But dude, look at the interior on this fucking car. With the roll cage, with these freaking Sylvia seats, so sick. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time. God damn, so hard. Woo. Dream car right here. God damn.
What about my dream car? Like
so sick. High school dream car is for sure. With the bronze TEs. Excuse me, sir. What do you do for a living?
Don't.
Let's see it. Turn it on.
Can you blur my face?
Turn it on. Damn. Clean, clean. Two from a different generation. Same color. With the ESR RF2s. Damn, well, we're gonna head out from this meat, clean meat. Tesla with the Advent GT is super sick, but let's get out of here. All right, guys, so that meat was a little dead, but we have stuff to do today. Other than that, we need to take care of that BMW right there. So the E36 has been sitting in the same spot for a while, and I got a notice on it that they want to tow it because it looks like it's been there for storage. If it's not been there for storage, I just haven't done anything with it. I have a parking pass and everything, so they feel like it's abandoned. I feel bad because it's been sitting there for a long time. So I'm gonna take it. I cleaned all the tint off because it was all disgusting. So I'm gonna take it to the car wash right now, wash it up, and I'm gonna take all the nasty tint and all the shit that was in there before, and we're gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna park it in the garage. Get a few more things done too because, you know, it's kind of nasty. So let's get that started. We in the freaking car wash, guys. We getting this piece of crap cleaned. So look how gross it is back here. I took the tint off the rear windows because it was all disgusting. It took me like hours to get it off, but we in the car wash right now because this car is so nasty. Like, oh my God, I understand why they wanted to tow it. So we're gonna get this thing clean. I'm gonna vacuum all this stuff. You see all that crap on the floor? That's all old tint. So I'm gonna get that taken off real quick and let's get this freaking nasty thing cleaned. And dude, look how much water comes in because the seals are not good. I'm getting splashed with water everywhere. Look how much cleaner this thing is. It was so disgusting just sitting down there. I need to clean these freaking lenses, make them all nice because I put some HIDs in them. And everything works. Hey, look. Let me turn this thing off. So this thing's actually not that bad. It needs definitely like some treatment on the floor, new seats. I need to take care of that stuff in the back. I do have some replacements, maybe some new door panels. I might go black. I'm not 100% sure Because if I do the black interior looks way better. And the car's not that bad. Like, has some paint back there, needs some stuff. Do some over fenders on the back. Maybe do over fender in the front, M3 bumper. Get the car resprayed. And once it gets resprayed, like, it'll be like a brand new car. So we could definitely do that. But there's a few little things. Taillights, front HIDs. So, and I just put a trans in it. So we got to clean this thing up a little bit, make it a little nicer, because it drives perfect. AC works, radio works, everything works. It's just been destroyed. A girl owned it, so, you know, girls don't take care of their shit. But let's get this thing cleaned up. All right, guys, so I'm cutting this video off a little bit early today. I have a bunch of errands that I need to run. I just came to the mall because I need to buy some clothes for work. And look at what I parked next to. There's a pretty freaking cool Gallardo right here with some white HREs. There's a Hellcat right here with a nice tire in the back. There's a Z06 right here. There's like 2 SVJs, 2 GT3s, and a bunch of stuff at this mall. This is South Coast Mall in Orange. It's like, there's like a bunch of high-end stores here. But I'm gonna cut it off early. Sorry, I just have a bunch of stuff I gotta do today, and I was gonna make a video. So I am gonna make a video probably tomorrow or the next day, finishing up some stuff in the E36, but just wanted to post something, keep it relevant. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe, please like the video. I'm doing a lot of stuff to try and make these videos, and I don't have too much time, but I am gonna start making content more consistently. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day.
You are watching a master at work.